Hello, welcome to Beau, Hannam, Guitars and Ukuleles. This is just a quick product review and discussion. So this would be a normal scalpel blade with handle, normal scalpel handle. I should point out I consider a number 11 to be a normal scalpel blade shape for inlay work and just cutting fine things. And I buy these in a box of 100, and they're about $7–8 for a box of 100. So they're all the different shapes. This is number 11. Great for inlay work, just picking out little bits and pieces. So I recommend a big box of these. So the scalpel blades, this one's really thin, and this is just a basic handle. Sorry, the scalpel handle, not the scalpel blade. This one's a bit longer, sort of looks a little bit fancier, looks a bit like a, I don't know, sci-fi throwing object, but it's also thin. This next one I thought would be a treat. This is all number 11. This is just round and with this grip, and this is good, especially when you are turning corners, things like that. That's a nice handle. These ones, it's probably a bit easier to cut in a straight line with these. You just sort of hold it really rock steady, and it's because of these two walls, sides, but think of them as walls. It is easy to cut in a straight line. This one, it's easier to rock, so I wouldn't sort of reach for this for a straight line cut. So that is just sort of periphery stuff that I wanted to talk about before I got into the next part. And this is just old blades which I keep for other inlay work and bits and pieces, gluing and purfling. So this is my new favorite handle, and it's by Exacto. And there is a difference between all of those and this. This does not use scalpel blades, but it uses what you can think of as an Exacto blade, although Exacto is a brand and this is a competing brand. The handle itself is really fat, with just some side flatness on each side, so it makes it really big and nice to handle. If you are holding this for hours on end doing really fine work, it's really quite a problem on the fingers. This is a really nice handle. The blade is loosened by this, or rather the jaws that hold the blade are loosened by this, and then that just goes in there. So the brand of handle is XL, and XL apparently do their own blades as well, which I'm told by the local hobby shop where I bought this, the blades are much better than Exacto blades. I presume this is an XL blade because it came with this handle. So I recommend this. I actually wanted to try, see if scalpel blade fits in here. If it does, that'd be good. It doesn't seem to. So this handle is under $10. and I really highly recommend it. And to tighten up that blade, you just turn that. The Exacto blades, and again I'm using Exacto blade just as a reference for this type of blade compared to the scalpel blades. But this is an XL blade, but if I said XL blade, no one's going to know what I'm talking about. These are much stiffer than these, so I'm not sure if you can see this, but so scalpel blades aren't really, I mean number 11s, they're meant to cut skin, not ebony, and that they can break. When I say can, I mean do break. So these XL blades, Exacto blades, they're much stiffer, so they're better for a lot of jobs and just more suitable. So this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to give XL a shout out and let them know that they've got an excellent handle. They've got a good handle on the blade market too. So thank you very much. I hope this was of interest to luthiers and hobbyists. I bought this from the local hobby shop, Hobby Hut in Grand Junction. I recommend them. They're a great shop. Everyone who works in there, all 2 people, are always nice to talk to and knowledgeable. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell, which will send you a notification for all the videos that I will publish. The occasional tool review, if I get excited about the tool, such as today. So thank you very much. All the best. Bye.